Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy merch from chess.com step by step so you can find the official store, choose the item you want, and complete your order without any confusion. If you enjoy simple tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. All right, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is go to chesscom.shop. This is the official chess.com merch store, and it's where you'll find the products available for purchase. Once the page loads, take a moment to browse through the different sections so you can see what's available. You'll usually see categories like apparel, accessories, and collections. Apparel is where you'll find clothing items like shirts, hoodies, and other wearable merch. Accessories may include smaller items that go along with the brand, and collections can help you find grouped products or themed releases. If you already know what you want, you can jump straight into the category that makes the most sense. Now click on the item you want to buy. This will open the product page where you can see more details, including the design, available sizes, and any other information about the item. It's always a good idea to review the product carefully before adding it to your cart, especially if you're buying clothing, because size and fit matter. Once you've confirmed it's the right item, click Add to Cart. After that, the product will be added to your shopping cart, and you can keep browsing if you want to buy more merch or continue straight to checkout. When you're ready, click Checkout. This will take you to the checkout page, where you'll finish your purchase. Here, you'll need to enter your shipping details, including your name, address, and any other required contact information. Make sure everything is entered correctly so your order can be delivered without delays. Next, enter your payment information. Double-check your card details or chosen payment method before submitting the order. This is the final step, so take a moment to review your shipping address, item quantity, and total price before you complete the purchase. After everything looks good, finish the order and wait for your confirmation. You should receive order details once the purchase goes through successfully. From there, all that's left to do is wait for your merch to arrive. And that's it. You now know how to buy merch from chess.com in just a few simple steps. First, go to chesscom.shop, then browse the categories, choose your item, add it to your cart, and check out with your shipping and payment information. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy guides just like this one. It helps the channel a lot, and I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.